Hello, happy Wine Wednesday. This is Carrie with Woodinville Wine Blog, and this is another experimental news show. Haven't heard a lot of comments from the last couple times I did it. I want to quickly let you know about 6 or 7 cool things happening in Woodinville today in the next week or two. And I picked them all out myself based on things I think are fun and exciting, so nobody paid or sponsored or anything. So it's Wine Wednesday. Tonight, the Cottage Bothell is going to have Gard Vintners pouring. You might need reservations. You can have dinner, taste Gard Vintners wine. Awesome. Tomorrow is Ladies' Night, Rosé Flights at the Cottage in Bothell, hosted by Belle Bottle. I'm super tempted to go. Get reservations again if possible. And also, the Cottage is apparently having some live music on Fridays. Cool. So that's Bothell news, but close enough to Woodinville. Now, tonight, big news, huge. Whoops, and I went the wrong way. That's why this is an experimental news show. Okay, Celebrate Woodinville is tonight. Free concert in the park, Wilmot Gateway Park, excuse me. They'll have their outdoor summer concert series through, I believe, what does this say? Through August 4. So tonight, Woodinville wineries that are pouring include Ancestry, Columbia, Dusted Valley, Elevation, Quiddity, Rocky Pond, and Soulstone. There's some breweries too, Sumerian, Triplehorn, and Crucible. And the food tonight includes Pizza Coop, Tandem food truck, and another couple of options. Now, let's see if I can go the right direction. Yes, Kaiti and I finally went to Woodin Creek Tap Room for lunch yesterday. We had a lovely lunch, amazing Brussels sprouts appetizer, a nice hummus plate. We each had a cocktail. We peeked at the menu, which is very extensive, lots of gluten-free, lots of vegetarian options, some dairy-free, and a huge kids menu because I might have to take my nephews there. And fish and chips, which is what my boyfriend will order, I guarantee you. So that is Woodin Creek Kitchen and Tap Room in the new Woodin Creek Village near Rocky Pond. And we also walked around afterwards and saw a whole bunch of in-progress winery signs, including Bayernmoor Cellars and Adams Bench. What? I'm so excited. They're joining Rocky Pond, Truthteller, Alexandria Nicole, which isn't quite open yet, Brian Carter Cellars, which isn't open yet, and Ancestry Cellars, who also has a Lake Chelan tasting room. So next up, Chandler Reach has live music here in Woodinville on Thursdays. I'm not sure if you need tickets or not. I think you don't, but check the Chandler Reach Facebook page and website. Starting on July 22nd, the W Lovers. That's a band that I remember seeing, or musicians that I remember seeing at Willow's Lodge Fireside Lounge the last couple of years, but not during the pandemic, so I'm excited to see them again. And also, interesting news from the Chandler Reach Estate Winery in Yakima Valley. They're offering a Wine in the Vines tour at the Estate Winery for $35, $25 if you're a wine club member. You can tour the tasting room, winery, estate vineyard, cellar, and wine cave. That does not sound like it sucks. Awesome. So I have the links for this down below, wherever you're watching this video. Next up, item number 5 of 6. Chandler Blanc is here, the 2020, where we've all been waiting for it from DeLille. It's out. Super exciting. Jen is a club member at DeLille. I'm not, so I'm going to throw myself on her mercy and say, let's go. Let's go check it out. Final news item of the night. Congratulations to the recently sold Chateau St Michelle for the very first perfect 100-point score received by any white wine in Washington State history. Wow. It was for their 2012 Single Berry Select Riesling, which I've never tasted, which is from Eroica. Okay, exciting. That's what's going on tonight. You might see me at Wilmot Park listening to the free summer concert, or see me wandering around the tap room having a beer with my boyfriend. Thanks for watching. You can see more of our news shows possibly on other Wine Wednesdays or Thirsty Thursdays, or thank God it's Fridays. And let us know what you thought in the comments below. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and Twitter occasionally.